Hello, and welcome to English Story Class. My name is Nafi, and today you will listen to a short story in English with a powerful life lesson. This story will help you learn new words, improve your listening, and understand English in context. So grab your pen and notebook, listen carefully, and write down any new words you hear. Are you ready? Once, in a small village, lived a 14-year-old boy named Samir. Samir was not rich. His family had little money, but he had a big dream. He wanted to become a mechanical engineer. Every day after school, Samir would visit a local mechanic shop. He would watch the mechanic, Mr. Ravi, fix bicycles and motorbikes. Samir was curious. He loved to ask questions. One day, Samir's old bicycle broke. The chain was loose, the tires were flat, and the seat was torn. His friends laughed at him. "Why don't you throw that bike away?" they said. "You look silly riding that old thing." But Samir smiled and said, "One day I will fix it myself. I want to learn how." Samir went to Mr. Ravi's shop. "Can I work here?" he asked. "I want to learn how to fix bicycles." Mr. Ravi looked at Samir's small hands and said, "You're young, but you have a strong mind. Come every afternoon after school." From that day, Samir helped in the shop. He cleaned tools, pumped tires, passed screwdrivers, and learned how to fix small things. Sometimes he made mistakes. One day, he accidentally dropped a motorbike mirror. Crack. He looked at Mr. Ravi, expecting anger. But Mr. Ravi just smiled. "Mistakes help you learn," he said. "But only if you don't give up." Weeks passed, then months. Samir practiced every day. One Saturday morning, he woke up early. He brought his broken bicycle to the shop. With patience, he fixed the chain. He patched the tires. He oiled the wheels. He painted the frame blue. By evening, the bicycle looked new. His friends were shocked. "Is that your old bicycle? It looks amazing." Samir smiled. "I fixed it myself." From that day, people in the village started bringing their bikes to Samir. He fixed them for free at first, then for small money. He began saving. Years passed. Samir finished school and went to university, thanks to the money he saved from fixing bicycles. Today, Samir is a mechanical engineer in the city. He works for a big company, and he often visits schools to tell his story. Moral of the story: your situation does not decide your future. Your actions do. Even with small tools and a big dream, you can build a great life. Never be ashamed to start small. Be proud to start. Great job listening to the story. Now, let's check your understanding with a short quiz. I will ask you a few questions about the story. Try to answer them out loud or write your answers in your notebook. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What was Samir's dream? Question 2. Why did Samir go to Mr. Ravi's shop? Question 3. What did Mr. Ravi say when Samir made a mistake? Question 4. How did Samir pay for university? Question 5. What is the moral of the story? Comment your answers below. If you got 5 out of 5, you're doing great. If not, don't worry, just keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English stories with moral lessons.